So hi everyone, welcome to NET JRF Academy. So in this video, I would like to explain about NET JRF Prep Guide, Edge and Expert Secrets which I have prepared. So what you will be getting in this guide, okay? So initially it was started with 10 pages and now the core content is the productivity tips and the main content is the around 23-24 pages. The electronic copy, PDF copy 24 page, 23 to 24 pages. But I have also added this for edge mastery. Super edge, which is educated guessing mastery. I have added some practice questions and also I am adding this previous year question papers also. Previous year question papers for paper 1 I am adding in this JRF prep guide. Okay, previous year question papers of NET exam I am adding along with explanations also. Okay, so mostly wherever there is theory, there is no explanation there, not much of explanation. If needed, I will put the explanation. But for the problematic things, wherever the problems are there, I have given explanation there. So even after reading this, wherever you have doubts, I have given the contact also in that. You can contact me there with your any doubts and all. So the main content, what it is having, the main content, it is like two parts in this NET JRF prep guide. Basically, it is two parts. Part 1 is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Part 1 is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And part 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So 4 contents are there. Part 1, 9 contents are there. We have, which I have put like alphabetically. Because the first one is starts with A, which is Ace learner, edge over others. Ace learner, that means super learner, edge over others. What is the edge that you are getting over others by going through this? Next, B is the build your new self, practice guide, practical guide with practices. C is the consistency, balance, joy, and work. D has two parts again, D1 and D2. One is dopamine addiction problem and the solutions for that, which is very important actually. And D2 is also a kind of solution, like an ultimate solution, that is deal of the day only today. Next, E is the energy secrets, which is again the most important. This D and E are the like most advanced concepts here actually. D and E, one is the dopamine related things and the especially E, energy secrets. Okay, that is useful for life itself mostly. Next, F is the fundamental requirement, a power of one yoga practice. G is the growth, that is real and sustainable growth, its importance and what it is. H is the high level preparation strategies and tips. Some preparation strategies and tips are there. Some high level ones are given here. And I is the intensity over planning and schedule. Okay, so first is intensity over planning and planning over schedule. And then we have the schedule and timetable difference also. I have added here. Next, this is part 1. Next, part 2 is the 4 parts, 4 subparts or subtopics are there in part 2. One is schedule sheets. I have given the schedule sheets also. Second one is the super edge. This is the most important actually. This is the like one thing that you will love most because it is directly related to the exam and most important for the exam. Super edge, which is to improve your educated guess. That means educated guessing mastery. Even if you do not know the answer, among the given options and how you should be able to guess it. In order to improve or in order to master educated guessing also, what you should need, those things are also given here. Next, how to attempt the exam exactly. Well, when you are in the exam, when you are attempting the exam, what exactly to see, what exactly to observe, how exactly to attempt the exam is given. So that you will be practicing in mock tests also. Why? Because directly going to the exam and practicing, that becomes difficult. So the same strategy will be practicing whenever you take the exam. So those guidelines are explained clearly in this guide. And last one is the inspiring practical diagrams for productivity. Okay, so for productivity, some diagrammatically some insights are given. So this is the NET JRF Prep Guide, Edge and Expert Secrets for you. And along with this, in this Super Edge practice, Super Edge, how you have to do, along with that questions and explanations, it is given. And also, initially it is not there, but I'm adding that practice questions for this educated guess mastery, because just explaining the concept is how to do what is educated mastery and how to do that, how to excel in that, just explanation is fine, but it is important to give practical questions also. In that, if you do not answer for this, how you need to go with educated guessing. So some you might be knowing, but I'm giving it as a like a packaged kind of thing. I'm including as many as possible. See, this educated guessing mastery, it is not like if there are some 10 points, 10 types of educated mastery, not like that. It is like what to say, there is no limit for that, and it depends on the individual also. My kind of educated guessing will be one kind, and another person might be having some other kind of educated guessing mastery, but some common ones are there. And some common ones, and how many are possible, how many possible ways are there, we are covering here. As many as possible we are covering here. Not only that, in future when I am going through, because every time I'll be going through many this mock test questions, previous year questions and all. So wherever I find some, if I do not know the answer, how I should be able to put for this. If I get the insights, I will be sending to you actually. I'll prepare whenever a kind of some 10 to 20 are there, okay, I'll be sharing through to you, whoever purchasing this NET JRF Prep kit, because your number will be, you'll be providing, and you'll be providing your mail also. So to those contacts I will be sending to you. Okay, that is one thing. And also along with this previous year question papers also I'm adding paper, because it is common to all, because whoever, because this prep guide I'm not targeting to sell only for particular subject people. Okay, because it is useful for everybody, every exam, NET exam, set exam, even some other competitive exams also useful. But questions I'm including is out of the previous year questions are from NET exam only. Okay, as of now previous year questions are from NET exam I am uploading here. Okay, if you prepare that, it will be useful for set exams also and other exams also. Okay, but mainly our focus or my focus is from NET exam point of view, as of now NET exam point of view. So this is a very useful prep guide, especially if you are suffering with many distractions and information overload also. See, nowadays the problem is information overload. With the information overload also, you will get confused, distracted, you do not know what to prepare, how to prepare. And even if you start preparing, you will not go in that particular direction, because there is no planning there. Randomly you may be going, not everybody, but you need to plan. So those things also I have discussed here, and also given you the guidelines and the, what to say, kind of blueprint or roadmap, like how to go about it. So this is all about NET JRF Prep Guide, Agent Expert Secrets, the main content. So two parts I have explained, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, and part 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the contents I have explained. Okay. So this is now it came to 23 pages. Okay, now it came to 23 pages. So when you purchase, you'll be getting this, and whatever I told, whatever the things I haven't added, that you will be getting separately. So don't worry about that. Okay, that you will be getting separately. Even if I include in this also, this updated document you will be getting. Okay, so you can directly go ahead and buy and read this, not a problem. So this will be for you like a regular read kind of thing. This will be for you, because you will be getting many insights, and you will understand that, okay, these are things I need to remember. Then you can take this print and keep it handy for you, or you can just make a notes. If not everything, whatever you find to remember exactly, to remember, I mean the important to remember, then you can note it down in your first 1-2 pages or 1-2-3 pages. You can dedicate to this in your personal notes, in your preparation notes, or some rough work notes. Starting pages you can write these points down, or you can take these starting pages at least, because after I add this practice questions and also this mock test and also previous year question papers also, it will, the length will be increased, the number of pages will be increased. That's why I'm adding them at the last, at the end of the pages. So up to 23 pages, it will be the main content what you will be reading. From 24th page, practice questions. Okay, practice questions and also mock test and also previous year questions. Okay, mock test also I explained previous year questions. I mean I told previous year question I'll be adding, mock test also I'll be adding. Okay, few mock tests also I'll be adding, paper one only. And if you're like a commerce and management, if you want previous year questions, the subject also, especially commerce, because I have commerce with me, especially commerce, if you want I will send you separately that also, not separate amount for that. In this only I'll be sending you, because you purchase this I'll be sending you only commerce subject, because I'm dealing commerce as of now, so that I can send. Otherwise paper one for everybody, it is useful, will be having that. Okay, so this is all about the NET JRF Prep Guide Agent Expert Secrets. Okay, so if you take this, what happens is the courses I am preparing, because for paper one, as a starting for paper one, for all the 10 units, I am preparing a course. I am preparing a course. Okay, so in that also, the previous year questions and the mock test, the questions will be, especially problematic ones, will be explained to you clearly. And this course will be like chapter by chapter, it will be having explanation. Chapter by chapter explanation will be there. Okay, so you can just go through that, especially if you're finding some chapters are difficult, you can directly go to the chapters also. So that's how I'm preparing this paper one course. And after that, I will be moving to commerce paper, then management. Okay, as of now, this paper one and commerce and management, as of now, these are the things I'm dealing. Especially, I will be focusing more on problematic kind of thing, where more explanation is needed. Like we have now, like in commerce, we have this business statistics and research methods is there. And in paper one also, we have this logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning and aptitude. So this problematic and also comprehension. Okay, and also data interpretation, especially data interpretation. So for a given graph or a table, the questions will be asked based on the graph or table. So for that, how to solve the few videos I have made and upload in my YouTube channel also, which I am sharing in social platforms like WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel also. So from there you can watch those few things that will be that you can consider it as a demo. Whatever I'm uploading in YouTube channels, these things where whatever I'm explaining, you can consider that as a demo. So those are the things I wanted to tell you. Actually, what I wanted to tell you is, if you are taking this NET JRF Prep, so whatever the course I am preparing and whatever the amount I put, for that I will be sending you some discount codes. Okay, whatever the amount I finalized, on that finalized amount, again you can apply this discount codes also. Okay, if you are buying this prep guide, because why I am stressing or giving importance and initially before course and all, why I prepared this prep guide is, it actually gives the students and learners a way what is missing, what is it that we need to have, that we need to focus on. So these all things will be covered in the this prep guide only. So when I was reading the content, we should have observed like what this educated guessing must, how important it is, and productivity tips, how important it is. Okay, and some preparation strategies, high intensity preparation strategies, and importance of intensity and planning, and then comes the schedule, and then difference between schedule and timetable. So these are the very basic things that you need to know as a learner, as a student. Okay, so that's why I'm focusing more on this. And apart from that, I mean, along with that, I'm also adding this mock test prep, sorry, previous year question and all these things, practice question and all these things, paper one related, especially paper one, because as it is common to everybody for all subjects, paper one is compulsory. I'm adding that paper one related things. Okay, so this is what. And in paper one also, as I said, explanations will be there. Explanations, not only explanations in this guide itself, for those those explanations wherever some criticality is there, wherever I feel so this needs to be explained, for those things I will be making videos, and the videos will be private, and those private video links will be shared to you. Okay, so now the whatever the price you are seeing, I think it is 9 as of now. Whatever the price you are seeing, so that too you won't see again. So it will be definitely around 1500 or 1500 plus only. Okay, so if you go ahead and buy this, you will be getting discount codes for my further courses also. Okay, yeah, thank you. So that is what I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much. See you in our private groups. Whenever you buy this, private groups will be added, and sometimes I'll be conducting Zoom sessions also, where you can ask your doubts and clear your doubts. So there we'll meet. Yeah, hope you'll be taking this and using this. Yeah, thank you very much.